This right now for Bitcoin is the calm before the storm. Bitcoin is about to be seeing a massive breakout by next week and you need to be prepared. Guys, Bitcoin has been consolidating at about these highs over here for over a week now, and we are about to be seeing a massive move getting created for the Bitcoin price, so I need to be talking about that exactly in this update video. It is truly starting to look great with the Bitcoin funding rates once again dropping towards the downside and many more things we need to discuss. So guys, can we once again push up the likes back above the 100 likes? That will be absolutely amazing, and as always, let's have a look into it at short term. And yes, while Bitcoin is still consolidating above these previous highs, right now turning in towards support, we are perfectly trading above this level of support right now at this current moment. Well, we are consolidating and we are creating two new patterns in that short term. First of all, we are creating this bull flag pattern, which we can be approaching, and if we're going to be having a look into this bull flag pattern over here, we can be having a look into a price target all the way up towards that 77k level, which is going to be huge for the Bitcoin price. This is going to be meaning we're going to be reaching new all-time highs. Of course, we are going to be breaking above these previous highs over here, but in my opinion, a way better way to approach the current Bitcoin chart is to have a look into this current symmetrical triangle over here. And yes, of course, I want to be making this point very clear. We can both be seeing a breakout towards the downside, but I do think that a breakout towards the upside is going to be more likely. But if we're going to be breaking this one out towards the downside, well, in that case, I'm definitely going to be expecting a break down below this level of support and reaching even lower levels towards these previous highs over here at about the 63.8k level. So definitely do be aware if we're going to be seeing a breakdown, but I do think that a breakout towards the upside is going to be more likely. Why? Because first of all, the Bitcoin funding rates are right now getting lower again. People are opening up short positions, which is of course going to be a very bullish thing for the Bitcoin market. More liquidity is being built up on the top side. This is going to be a good thing. On top of that, yeah, Bitcoin is of course still trading inside of this uptrend. So yeah, new highs are going to be more likely than new lows. On top of that, we have been breaking outside of this massive trend line of resistance. We have been finally breaking outside of it after this 7 to 8 month consolidation over here. We are perfectly retesting it right now. So yeah, a little bit of a bounce is going to be way more likely than a drop right down below it. Now, ultimately, yes, this retest over here is going to be very bullish for the Bitcoin price. I definitely do think because of this retest over here, we can be breaking into literally new all-time highs very easily. Let's see if we are indeed going to be doing that. I do think it's going to be pretty likely. So yes, I would actually say that if we are going to be breaking above this consolidation over here, this symmetrical triangle towards the upside, and then if we're going to be breaking above this previous high over here, well then we are going to be easily reaching new all-time highs. I do think it is going to be very likely, so do be prepared right now. This is truly going to be the calm before the storm. Whenever we're going to be seeing this massive breakout, it is going to be ultimately very decisive. So guys, make sure to be watching this exactly. Still, we are going to be approaching one of the most bullish weeks in one of the most bullish months of the year for Bitcoin. We are, of course, trading inside of the month of October. Of course, next month is also going to be very bullish, the month of November. But I still do think that next week is going to be very bullish. The 44th week, we've seen an average gain of plus 10%. So do keep that in mind. These coming few weeks are going to be, historically speaking, very bullish for the Bitcoin price. So yeah, like I've been saying for many times, I do think that the beginning of the month of October is going to be rather a little bit more bearish, but the end of the month of October is going to be very bullish. And then leading in towards Q4, we're going to be seeing some more very bullish price action towards the upside. So let's see if we are indeed exactly going to be seeing that. Anyways, guys, if you're going to be getting interested in trading right now, make sure to be checking out these two links down below, because over on OKX, you can right now be claiming a 30% trading fee discount and a $60,000 deposit bonus. And over on Bybit, you can right now be claiming a $500 free trade and a $40,000 deposit bonus. So definitely make sure to be claiming this free trade over here. It's going to be absolutely for free. Make sure to be checking it out with that link down below. Anyways, yes, we could just be right now at this massive starting point for the massive Bitcoin bull market at this moment. I do think if we are going to be seeing this successful retest over here, if we are going to be seeing this bounce towards the upside over here, we're going to be seeing a massive next rally towards the upside getting initiated. It is about to be absolutely massive, so do not get fooled right now in that imminent short term. Of course, having a look in towards that weekly time frame, we are finally breaking outside of that weekly RSI downtrend, and always whenever we have been seeing this, a massive next new rally towards the upside tends to be getting initiated. So yeah, let's see if we're going to be seeing it once again. Now in 8 days, we are going to be seeing the US elections, and always after the US elections, Bitcoin tends to go parabolic. Now Trump right now is massively leading the polls over on Poly market, so it is definitely looking very good for the cryptocurrency market, because if Trump is going to be winning the US elections, that is going to be having a massively bullish effect on the crypto market. But always, regardless who is going to be winning these elections over here, always after the US elections, Bitcoin tends to go parabolic. So let's see if history is going to be repeating once again. I do think it's going to be very likely. But yeah, anyways, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.